In this video, we're going to have a look at what you need to do if you don't hear a sound when taking a picture with your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now the first thing you want to do is to open up the camera app. After that, from the upper right corner of the screen, swipe down to open up Control Center. Now the first thing we need to double check here is that silent mode is actually turned off. In our case, silent mode is actually turned on, and you can see this with this bell symbol here, which appears in red. So to turn off silent mode, you would simply have to tap on that. Now we are in the regular ring mode. On top of that, here where you see the speaker symbol, you would also need to make sure that you have some volume. So if you have no volume like here, you would need to make sure to swipe that up to get the volume up. Now let's swipe up. And let's try if we have some sound now when we take a picture. So I'm simply going to tap here to take a picture. And as you can see, we still have no camera sound here. So if you disabled silent mode and also made sure that you have some volume by swiping the volume up in the control center or by using volume up here on the side of your iPhone, then most likely the reason why you still have no sound is because the feature called Live Photo is turned on. So let us turn off the Live Photo feature. To do so, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on this icon here. Live Photo is now turned off. So now once again, let us take a photo and let's see if the problem is solved. And sure enough, we now have the desired camera shutter sound. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.